Oh boy, you guys got the whole damn. You just come right in. Hey, it's Ben. Hi, Ben. Hi, Ben. You just park it right in front of here, Eric. Eric and Chris. This guy did a week. Hey, pal. How are you? Good. This thing's looking minty fresh. Anyway, guys, so the plans for today is this guy right here, Benjamin, is getting some coilovers, finally lowering the E46. My man's is a hot boy. He's gonna buy, by the way, he's stretching 215s on 10.5s, I just learned. His man is like full hot boy, but anyway. But it's gonna look good, that's for sure. Oh my lord, the moment of truth.
So he had them cluster
powder coated.
That look like DC's, but
what the hell?
DC for sponsoring.
Taiwan? What the f are those?
What's in the box? Sway bar and like
adjustable, boys. That's nice, Ben. We'll put those in.
That option?
Oh, they gave you some.
Damn, they might have just picked it up because they knew you were.
I got a keychain.
Dude, I got scammed when I bought mine. They just sent me a box and a sticker.
Dude, that's fire.
And they powder coated it to match your.
Congrats, Ben.
Wait, is this like a Volkswagen Clover? You gotta spread the. What the fuck? I'm out of here. See you guys. I'm out to the
Chris, I like your shirt. If you guys want one of these, you already know where to go.
Yeah, you can get it for free if you go bald.
If you go, no, that's not true. But www.smoothstance.com/shop for one of these puppies.
How's the merchant going?
Look at the back. Yeah, it's been selling. It's been selling.
You showed me like 30 grand last night.
Hat too. 30 grand. Yeah.
30.
Hat, look at the hat. Hat over there. 30 gold. Oh, he's got the. He's strapped.
Check me out, dude.
Euro boys with your studs for the logo.
You sure, dude? I love doing this.
That's nice and on there, Ben. It'll probably go anyway.
Ain't going over. Oh my god.
If it fall on its face, I'll take it.
This is scary, dude.
Anyway, we got the puppy on the list. Now we're just taking it off the wheels. Stuck on there because
smell it.
Yeah.
You made a breaker bar on this one. I think you were wrong.
Oh, Eric's brute strength has got it. Let's go.
Alright, and he sees
that puppy's smoking. Alright, so literally all you have to do is Eric just loosens the bottom strut bolt. And loosens this bolt right here. Drop the whole frame to get the spring out. Or not the frame, the, you know what I mean, suspension to get the spring out. Yes, queen! Oh, yeah, there she is.
Your car's wired for subs?
Yeah.
Is that? Oh, dude, we could hit an impact on that.
It's just these two right here.
Yeah, it's just these.
Yeah, that's easy.
And it's got nice in the rim.
Impact that shit. But tighten them
Some
so they
tiny
snap.
ass nuts though.
That's what I'm doing. Mark Z. That's what I did. Alright, that's probably a.
The Z's studded. It's
We need to get better
Z's
at that.
the opposite way. But yeah, literally just take out these
Yeah, it was actually you wanted to
floorboards in the trunk, and you can get back to heel. That's right. There is where they're sitting at. I think they're 10s. I think they're 10s. I don't know. But then you gotta do it on that side, and then the strut will drop. But then you have to drop the whole knuckle here to get to this spring, and that's the hard part. I hate that part. The tops are now out. Now you just gotta lower the rear. I mean, down here, the bottoms. After you take this out, this literally will just pop right out. This strut is so easy. I don't know how this is gonna work out though. I hate these. Hate them. Hate them with a passion. So, oh, whoa. This is a Bigfoot sighting. Anyway, rear everything. My jiggers are out. There's two up here in the trunk. I already showed you that. They come down. Next right here. Take that out. Then you have to take this nut off this side and then just drop on the other side.
Mark, right here.
Take that out just enough to drop it. Then you can pull it down and pull the spring.
Give me the half-inch set.
Yeah, this is the other side. Put this orange thingamajigger on the bottom. Make sure you put there's a piece up here on the stock strut right here. Make sure you put that back up in there. The cavalry is here. They went and picked up Ben's wheels, solid shooters. He's got C4 Corvette wheels. We got Santa Claus. Oh, dude, those are not stretched at all. What are you doing?
Yes, they are.
Well, they're stretched. They're not 10.5 either.
What are they?
They're 9.5.
Dude, they're definitely not 10.5s. Those are 10.5s. Those are thick.
I think it looks good though.
Yeah, no,
it does look good.
Because it's gonna ride good. Which is
You should have gone with some, you know, Bridgeport sidewalls though, like
the tires really aren't that bad.
15 sidewalls.
Oh, definitely a good one. She's slammed down.
Whoa, whoa. Vlogception.
We got them. I got almost everything off. I just didn't.
Exactly. I love the way you.
Yeah, we have 6 tires of GTI.
Oh my god.
What happened to that?
Oh my lord.
A little bit.
Alright,
Oh, trip mark.
Yeah, actually I do.
There you go.
I look for free.
Good.
Alright, so we ran into a bit of a problem. The upstairs neighbor Jim decided to put the old strut back in.
Come on, Jim.
Come on, Jim.
Are you ready? Bring her up. Let her eat.
dude, you need to tighten the frick out of these.
Guys, I don't know where the bolts are.
Good job watching your language, Zach. Zach is such a good Samaritan.
Shit, I dropped one. Oh, Ben, I dropped it.
Mommy.
Hold up. Just give me like another couple seconds to thread it. That one is okay. This one's still tight.
Oh wait, make sure the other one's still.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think a couple seconds.
A couple more minutes and you guys should be fine.
Yeah, just give me another minute.
Wait until the pizza
Not
gets
yet.
here.
Hold up.
He's too hungry to do this right now.
I don't think Ben had them. Ben, you ordered Drew.
Oh, they let off.
Well, oh, it broke. Now it's not going to stay in.
There's a big difference.
Yeah, I think there's
this,
a big
guys.
difference lifting that one.
We got all the boys here. This is like, this is a dream, man. I can't wait until we get our own shop and everything. We can just have all cool cars and stuff. It's going to be sick.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
That needs to go lower.
Definitely a little bit.
Needs to go way.
That's what I said. I said max it out right away.
Alright, lift it back up. Let's max it out then.
Alright, just double check my leg position.
But yeah, so rear coils are on. Now we just got to do front. But honestly, that looks, it does look way lower, and it's not even, we're not even close to maxed out. So, alright, go ahead.
Let's see where she sits.
We adjusted the height. We maxed it out on the rear. Oh my land!
That's what I like to see.
That's way better.
Here, hold on. Let's see how much.
Wait. Oh my god.
It's gonna settle like that. I love it.
You're swatting.
Yeah.
Wait.
And you don't gotta worry about rubbing. You don't even have to roll the fenders because you have normal fenders.
Eric, you just pinched my finger in there.
That's your cell.
Oh,
You're
no.
settled in right there.
That puppy's.
Yeah, dude, that looks sick. Okay. Dude, look at the front fitment.
Yeah. Look at the
Alright,
fenders.
actually, I think we can't be here any longer. We gotta finish that next week.
Yes.
Ben's got the squatted Beamer. Let's go. It looks amazing.
Alright, come on. Get the front done.
Yeah,
You're doing amazing.
Can I check the jack on that, or check the lift on that side, Eric?
Oh, you know what we need
Now
to
onto
do?
the fronts.
Light it on fire. Need a strut spreader.
Yep.
Yo, no kidding.
Obviously, you guys want to lower it.
No kidding.
I'll loosen up these.
Why?
But-
Disconnect them?
What?
When you get down there, there's like
Because it has
brake
no
lines.
flex. I don't know if it's gonna have enough movement. No, no brake lines. They don't.
Oh, there's no brake lines.
No, they don't. This. They connect to this.
We could take
The whole
off this
thing.
lower control arm.
And then the. You want to take, dude? It's one bolt to take the tie rod out.
And it's one bolt to take the lower control arm off.
Top bolts, top nuts. You have to take off.
It's a tie rod removal.
And then it just drops down. This whole thing
You're
just
gonna
falls
bend this tie rod.
all the way down.
You want
And then there's a.
flexes
Where is it?
only so much before it
Okay,
Oh,
snaps.
I can't really see it, but there's a tightener type deal on the back to hold this in place. But there's a tool, but we just use a crowbar because we don't have anything else. And we just had Eric pulling up while Zach was pulling down on this, and then Chris was bending it in the middle, and it worked. Popped out, but now we're just trying to get it the rest of the way. It's like an inch left in that little clamp. It's like an inch left, and we're trying to get it out, but yeah, that's what we're doing.
Hold up.
That kid has the most powerful force.
Yeah, you can't stand right behind him or you'll just get like thrown across the room. That is powerful,
Dude,
Chris.
I'm a pro.
Go.
Yo, show Mark what you just showed me.
Oh. He's like, start twerking again. Show him again.
Oh boy, Chris is learning, dude. It's like a baby learning his first word.
Twerk team
Oh my god, you can't. That's too much. Alright, so I updated you guys poorly because we were trying to figure out how to get this to work, but we got it to work.
It was fine from the start.
We got it to work.
Everything was under control.
The only problem now is that the car has fallen off the jack stand.
Well, what happened is Mark just drinks so much and he got so blackout drunk.
Yeah, I got so hammered that
we had to like sober him up before we could finish.
Then he started beating us.
yeah.
And then he started freaking hitting his parents.
Never mind.
Started hitting my parents. There's like a clamp on the strut, and you have to separate it, but it's really hard to separate, so we had to grind down an Allen key, stick it in there, hammer it so it could separate, and then push the strut into it, and it's just a chill. But it's working now. This side's all done. I think that side's pretty much all done. I just have to tighten up a couple more bolts and then put the wheel on. He's gonna be talking like crazy. Front's gonna be low. Oh, I can't say that. Front's gonna be
Stupidly
dummy low.
Oh my god, a 240.
Back's gonna be pretty low, but
That
not
is absolutely smoked.
What are these rigs for?
Oh yeah, that's the worst. That's the worst E30 240 I've ever seen. That's a beautiful E240. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's LS swap. It's auto.
Oh my! Wait, what? He LS swapped it and kept it in automatic transmission. That makes it's not. It's not auto.
Yeah, it is.
What's not?
It's auto.
Oh my god, it is. What? That is so weird.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Yeah, we're gonna need to raise that a little
What are you
bit.
talking about, brother? That's perfect. Is it off the jack? Oh my god, I should lower the back more.
Dog, that has to go on. That is way too much.
That is.
You won't rub.
You're still. Dude, you're fighting.
Wait, you ready?
Dude, yeah, you got at least like 10 feet.
The fact is, my driveway. Park up at Scott Shop. You won't
Your
care.
driveway's fine. Your driveway looks perfect.
Come on, first opinions.
No, it's sick as hell.
No, we
but
definitely have to lower it more.
Lower it a little bit more.
If it was my car, I'd lower it more, but that's maxed out.
The fact is, I have to, get up my driveway.
Raise it like a quarter inch, I think.
Alrighty, so we just really quickly adjusted the height to make sure Ben can actually get in his driveway because he has a pretty small driveway. But still, this puppy is tucking. If he had some wider wheels on here, he would be rubbing. Take it for a ride now to see how it rides. This is looking clean. Woo! Ben's probably such a happy puppy. Alright, boys. Second test, and she is driving like yeah. You don't want to take that one. Same with this one right here. She rides so nice though. It only rubs a little bit if you go over a big bump. That's it.
Also got like 4 people in this thing, so.
Yeah, that too.
Dude, Ben's into the big ladies. I don't know why.
Is he? Ben, you into the bigger ones?
If you're 280, hit me up.
If you're 280,
If you ain't 280, you ain't a real lady. That's what you lives by.
If you weigh the name of my car, hit Ben up.
E46, that's a broken scale. Anti.E46.
No, what is this, a 325?
Hit me up and
If you weigh 325, then you can ride in the 325. If you weigh 350, you can ride in the 350.
And if you weigh Miata,
If you weigh...
What do you think, Ben? It's fucking sick, dude.
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
dude!
Hey!
It's friggin'...
Oh,
say it again. Wait.
It's freaking
Wait, no,
sick.
look forward. All right, silence.
All right, take 3.
What do you think, Ben? Dude, it's freaking sick.
Yeah, that ride's nice.
It's like totally gnar, dude.
Dude, that was such a out of the blue question. You just like hit him out of nowhere with that. He was not expecting it at all.
Dude, not staged.
Hey, let's make it one.
Dude,
right.
my car. I told you about that, right? With the
Alrighty,
coilovers?
guys. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. How to install E46 coilovers, a step-by-step guide with a lot of the steps missing because I forgot to film. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment another video you want to see. Wow, that sounds healthy. And subscribe for more. Chris.
Turn on post notifications, motherfuckers.
Thanks. And das vidania, and have a nice night. Whoa, surprise, Zach.
Follow Mark on TikTok and Instagram. Instagram SmoothStance and ss.marky, and then SmoothStance on TikTok.
And follow me on Instagram at anti